I'm with Tim Debrincat from OlloClip, who makes wonderful accessories for iPhone, and you've got quite the rig with you here.
Yeah, so we, once again, we're kind of trying to get out there and innovate, and we see kind of what people are using in the market, and we just think that that's not the way that we would do it. So it's back to the drawing board, and we came to market with some new products this year.
So before you show me this, and I'm excited to see this, tell me, is it, people have to carry the lenses with them in addition to carrying their phones? Was that like a barrier to entry for people?
Yeah, and when we launched our lenses for iPhone 6, that was one of the things that we noticed. It was two real big improvements that we made with those with the form factor on those particular lenses. The first thing was the fact that we asked people, well, why didn't you use it? And the biggest kind of answer that we received, the most popular, was that I don't know where it was. It was in the bottom of my bag. So we created this kind of pendant system that you can now attach. So every lens comes with 3 pendants. So now you can attach it to your camera bag, to your purse, to your backpack.
Let me show that. I'm going to hold that up here.
It gives you a home.
Good. Okay. Now, tell me about this guy.
Yeah, so we see, thanks to Apple, we see this whole Shot on iPhone campaign and people really getting into mobile photography. And we're looking at the market, and you see these big, crazy, double-fisted contraptions that people are building to shoot with their iPhone. It's like, I don't understand why you're doing that. It defeats the purpose of shooting with your phone. You want it to be compact. You want it to be really fast. And you want it to be like an ultimate user experience that it's seamless. So this is kind of an extreme setup of what we call OlloClip Studio. And at the end of the day, we wanted to create something. I'll take it apart and kind of build it up.
This is like a filmmaker's dream here. You're carrying everything in one hand.
At the end of the day, this is really how you use your phone. It's just, we wanted to create a nice, beautiful case design that you could use for every day. But then we thought, how are other people using it? And we saw, especially with the 6 Plus, it's a very fragile phone. Sometimes it's awkward to kind of start and stop and play. So we created this finger grip that basically there's a track system here that the finger grip just attaches here, slides on, and then you're able to now have
your own handle.
Yeah, it's way more confidence. You have complete control, and you can film. So if you're doing a landscape, or for live broadcasters, if you film in portrait, you're also able to hold it this way.
Also great for selfies, because I know people never know how to hold the phone properly and hit the button without dropping it.
The ultimate selfie case. Yeah. So, and what I forgot to mention, of course, it's always compatible with our lenses. So the lenses fit right over the case, which is clutch for our brand. So it also comes with 2 cold shoe mounts, so you can attach things like lights and microphones. Again, it just kind of slides right on the track system here.
You've just put this right onto the track on the case, and this now becomes a microphone that you plug into your phone.
Yeah, so it's just a standard cold shoe. It'll fit any cold shoe mount. So your basic lights and microphones just fit right on the top. I'll hold your microphone for you. Yeah, so if you put your finger through...
So then this is the rig now. So now I've got it.
Now you're complete, and you're...
I'm complete. Now I can record you, right? This is very cool, and this is a light or a microphone?
This is a Rode microphone.
Okay.
So we don't make the microphone, but Rode makes some fantastic mics that are designed for mobile.
And this is completely mobile, and now you can go out and shoot really professional quality video, and you've got your lenses here as well.
Right. Yeah, so then
when all of this is put together, tell me how much the price becomes.
There's one more piece, which are tripod mounts. So you get a tripod mount in landscape and in portrait. So of course, then you're able to use your favorite shooting stick, tripod, and really attach it to any kind of a rig that you're using. The price right now is $89.99. It's available on our website, in Apple stores worldwide, in Best Buy, really anywhere you'd find our products.
Very cool. And of course, OlloClip also makes all those great fisheye, wide-angle lenses, all of those lenses that you can add onto your phone and take interesting, creative, fun pictures.
Exactly, yeah. So this month was our 5-year anniversary. We launched as a Kickstarter project in 2011. And really our philosophy hasn't changed with our lenses. It's really easy, and we see some competition coming into the market with big, bulky lenses. It's easy to make good glass on a big camera lens. The real genius is when you can actually shrink it down to a smaller form factor, and so everything that we do, we want to respect mobility, so you see that across all of our lenses.
Okay, lots of great innovation going on here. Speaking of innovation, this video is interactive, so simply touch on your screen and you can get all the information about OlloClip right on your screen. I'm Andrea Smith for CE Week TV.